Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you today? Uh, okay. Everyone, welcome to my live stream. Today I am exciting to share two amazing earning opportunities from Gate.io. So if you are looking to earn some crypto rewards, stay tuned. Task 1 in all about SGC launch pool. Just tag and earn you can get $10. Okay. So we are get more informations. Uh, Launch pool SGC. Okay, and in durations 2 days. Ends time. Okay, ends time 2 days, 5 minutes, some second, 5 hours, 0 minutes, and some seconds. Okay, and stacking. SGC. SGC Kai Sangokoshi. Sangokoshi Tessin. Tessin. Uh, Battle of Three Kingdom represents a landmark fusions of SEGA Siga, iconic Sangokoshi. Tessin Sangakoshi there's an franchise with coding and blockchains technologies developed by industry pioneers double jump Tokyo Tokyo. Okay, uh, the this premium blockchain strategy game is built on a beloved IP with proven market success. Okay, market success across Asia. Uh, the project futures SGC governments and utility tokens represented in game as SGCP points players earn SGCP through PvP uh, gameplay, which can then be used to purchase in additional card pack or be traded on the games marketplace. Okay, everyone, welcome join my live channel. How are you today? And good afternoon. Have a nice day. Good day. Okay. BTC pool, BTC pool, and GT pool. Okay, first of all, BTC pool total stacking reward 13 billions SGC and participants 2450 6 and stack BTC price pool hardly cap 108 333 SGC and mining period 5 days individual yearly reward cap 54 16.66 6 SGC. Okay, and total stacked 1641.396688 BTC APR 0.98 percent. Okay, and my stacking and my reward. Okay, unlocking rule 100%. Gate launch pool newly added Kai Battle of Three Kingdoms SGC stack GT BTC to Aaron reward delivers in real time. Kai Battle of Three Kingdoms SGC will be launched on Gate launch pool stack GT BTC to Aaron SGC token rewards every hour. Okay, and airdrop details. Airdrop details tracking period June 2025 at 12 and 19 June 2025 at 12 UTC. Total stacking reward 20 billions SGC. Okay. Uh, Stacking to Iran and unlocking rule 100% unlock gate launch pool allows users to stack early. You can stack your assets before the project officially launches, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining begins. Reward distributions, the system's distributions reward used to user support accounts every reward based on the proportions of assets stacking by each user. Okay, and gate launch pool FAQ. Gate Launch Pool FAQ number one. What is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with high entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, and join now. And question number two: how can participants in Gate Launch Pool first log into your Gate account and navigate to the Git Launch full page, then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Check the participation guide. And question number three: which coins can I stack Git in Git Launch pool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. Question number four: how many tokens will be rewarded? Okay, hourly stacking rewards, individual artist, one horse valid stacking amounts, total pool stacking amount, hourly reward pool. And the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts, can multiple stacking amounts each hour, and take the average stacking amount as the valid stacking amount. And question number five: how are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts yearly, and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earning will be distributed into user support account. Okay, and question number six: when will the stacked assets be redeemed? After the user redeemed in advance or the stacking is completed. The stacked assets will be transferred to simple errand by default. If the options is unchecked, the stacked assets will be redeemed into spot assets if the amounts of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple errors. The assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If simple error does not support the claim of the redeemed tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. Okay, and Question number 7. Can I redeem my stack assessed at any time? The platform will tag multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts such each hour and calculate the valid stacking amounts. However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward. Please mention stable stacking amounts to ensure mining rewards. In addition, each stacking pool imposes by daily redemptions limit. Individual users can only withdraw up to 3 times a day per pool. Please plan your redemptions carefully to maximize your reward and avoid any potential impact on your earning. Dristi, PQ9X, good luck, and get rich, and many other members. Welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Question number 8. Can I additional stacking assets? You can increase your stack assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the rewards cap is reached, you will not longer receive stacking reward. Okay, and question number 9. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack as a in pool A, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward of new tokens. Okay. Question number 10. What is the maximum mining rewards can I receive? The hourly rewards hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement for or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Okay. And question number 12. No, 11. Will stack assassin in get launch pool impact my VIP level? No. No assets stacked in the gate launch pool will be included in the assets holding calculations for hodler, airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privilege. And question number 12. What will happen to my funds in the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stacking principles will automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended. Can your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distributions before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate APR, what number 1, what the reward coins is the stacked coin. APR total rewards released in the last hours total stacked multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. When the reward sequence is not the stack coin, APR total reward released in the last horse x closing price of the reward sequence of the last horse total stack to x closing price of the stack coins to the last horse multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. The APR is an estimate, and for the reference only, the actuals annualized return for usually received shall prevails. APR data is updated yearly. Okay, and next, how to participate? Log in your Gate account and complete identity verifications. Navigate to Launchpool. Hold last 1.10 GT and 1.0000001 BTC. Click stack. Okay, and okay, light light paper news and introductions, worldview, general, main games. Okay, Q and A. First of all, introduction. Welcome to Kai Sangagoshi Decisions Battles of Three Kingdom. Uh, Kai San Gokoshi Temptations Battles of Three Kingdoms or Kai Sangagoshi these for shorts is a card based technical or tacticals war games set in the world of Sangakoshi Dizion originally for the arcade. With the rising volunteers force at material behest, your task is but one: unite China under your mighty banners, make your way across the country as you crush all oppositions and recruits uh, warlords to your cause. Your fate. Okay, worldview. Conquer the battlefields through the art of war, stacking the greatest horrors heroes of the three kingdoms under your command and utilize your technical tactical tuning to shatters enemy lines. The field of battle is ever changing, and your enemies ever growing is strength attacked defined decides and win. Will it be your strategic proves that thrives your fall, or will you value such mighty sectors in fears? Perhaps fate itself will guide you to card with the power to change the very landscape of history. Really, your forces brave hero battle card. Everyone, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? World War card and the relationships between general card in Kai Sangakoshi reasons and two tier sectors generals and cards. Number one, general cards item and journal enable unite general card item and items acquired through gameplay or the marketplace. It cannot be used in battle. General number two, general usables unit or unit generated from a card under specified conditions, which can then be used in formations and battle. List general card and general types. There are some general card and general card and general types. Warlord card and warlord types. There are some types. And what are awaking bonus, so when players obtains an awaking general enhancement card from a card pack for the first time, and the corresponding general has not yet awakens, a level 1 awakening generals is automatically generated. Okay, and enhancements and progressions of general awakenings of generals level up by warring consuming awakening generals enhancement card as the grow various enhancement acquire level 1 initial stat can be used on informations level 2 6 stats and effects increase according to the general types and level 6 and by one additional card effects such as visual effects are planned. And additionally, when boarding card players earn awakening souls, which can be used awakening soul packs relationships between general and card can be cash flow when obtaining a normal general and when obtaining and enhancing awakening general and various ways to enjoy the general and cards in Kai Sangakoshi teaches after a verify of ways to enjoy the game. Okay, whether you are player sectors or trade that delivers ways to engage with a general's card or what makes Kai Sangakoshi these ones truly appealing. Okay, as players organizing organize generals in formations into formations and use them is better to enjoy strategic competitions. And a as a collectors gathers and collect generals based on their illustrations rarity and specifies functions as a trade buy and sell in NFT assets through the marketplace and between wallets. Main game combat is divided into three phases. Rec- uh, Requirement choose which warlord to enter the fray with, and placement positions your chosen world war world warlord engagement. Your deployed warlord will battle automatically. Okay, there are three phases are parts of our run and our visions and values game first and speed matters our commitments to rapid development. The above methodology will help release and evolving game experience for all to enjoy quick incorporations of community feedback, effect problem finding and fixing, and enhanced ability to adapt to enhance chance changing market conditions. At time, the approach may result in a trade-off between polish and space. Moaz, welcome. Join my live channel. You should we hold or sell? Sale. You can should wait this time, not a sale. Okay, some waiting. And transparency. Uh, Transparency is something that we take very seriously, and that extends to all facts of the game world, items, the resources you have missed, better results, any and all manners of in games activities will be recorded to the blockchains and made viewable any time. Okay, and community growth, one of the best community growth of the best aspects of the players, variously players for format of play is meeting others and growing through competitions. Our earnest wish is to make this community as accessible and open to all time. Okay, and our ideals game involvements is one in which all players can test their strength equals, where they can face each other regardless of experience and grows as a community. This game has the potentials to become thriving nexus for all players. A place where new innovative tactics are born. War clashes like no others. Distonate digital battlefield where players new and old meet. A place where new, innovative tactics are born, where clash like no other detonate digital battlefield where players new and old meet compete. And grow, but only with your help can these potentials be tapped. Tokenomize contents and contents and FTS marketplace and as double G triple G. Okay. um okay, and card back FIVE SGC related and card back, the primary method of obtaining worldwide Warlord NFTs. Awakened Warlord cards NFTs. Warlord card used in the game holding multiples NFTs or combining them allows um, mm, you to gain advantages in the game, in the main game. Okay, main game revolve around the leaderboard mode, and the most if efficient way to amaze SGC stacking. Okay, stacking. Stacking allows you to deposit your SGC, resulting in us payout of stacking points based on amount and durations. Everyone, welcome to my live channel. Muhammad Saeed Bura 4 Bara 4 get user many other members. Welcome to my live channel. Okay, guys, so this time we are discussing launch pool SGC. Engage and game content stacking points you errands can be used to the below additionals and game futures GVG mode, GVC tournaments mod and championships events. Okay, for each of the above SGC rewards amounts will fluctuate to fluctuate uh, according to stacking points used. Design thinking. Okay, design thinking. The main game is for pure fun and expanded content, open no doors, and create connections and tokens, informations, and the simple of correct um, compensations design and defining and rewarding ecosystems contributions and management team responsibilities. Okay, protect together, grow together, and this is our joint so force, not slowly the responsibility of our internal team. Okay, about acquisitions methods with a diverse players base of many talent and interact interests. We have designed a verify of way to earn reward. Dawn of Geo. This is a pre-registration events. BP obtains in the events. Mini games will be converted into SGCP. We hope to build a. Okay, guys, we hope to build lasting relationships with all events participants who we consider to be important stakeholders in the ecosystems, co-builders of the projects, core members of the community, and most important, friendly united in the goal of building our bright and shared futures. Ranking mode is pure one vs1 competitive arena where players test their skills against each other's reward for top ranking players are set up fierce recognition recognitions of their abilities. Monthly ranking players complete overs approximately 1 month from the beginnings to the ends of the months based on the amount of merit they hold. And total ranking, summit, tournament, and GV mood, and stacking value and growth. More stable value preservations of fair goods distributions of rewards, the realizations of healthers ecosystems, and stacking systems. This is a saving styles mechanisms where you deposit uh, SGCP to earn stacking point as P. Poles are deployed on B and B chains or says L1 and SG words, and they automatically rewards one SP per hole for every one SGC or SGCP stacked. Okay. And stacking usage example, submit entry park and privilege stacking exclusive entry slots, bonus tourney. Special title, BADGS streaming live commentary rights and GVG mode. Additional guild features, increased guild members cap, expanded guild territory, access to special strategic features, boosted wild reward using tokens in the game. Muhammad Saeed, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today in the market, bullish or bear? Today market is bullish. Okay, using tokens the game and more Q and A. Using tokens in the game, purchasing in game currency. Well, our tokens model is get user, welcome to my live channel. How are you today? Get user AIEAF. Well, our tokens model is primarily designed around stacking. We also allows for the purchase of an of in-game currency as a controlled spending consumations options. A way of returning project growth to holders. Um, get user AFE6A. Welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? But I don't know your language. Please write in English. Okay. A way of returning project growth to holders, tangibles methods of providing value to the community of foundations for long-term sustainable. And next, Q and A. Okay, Q and A. Why not consumations design? Through many projects utilize consumations based design. This kind of setup is only setup is only effective in creating short-term demand, which individuals destabilizes tokens value. We have elected to forego this route, um, prioritizing long-term value stability. This services to protect players adjust from speculative fluctuations. Question number two. Well, stacking alone create demand. To that we say, consider this demand should arise from genuine value and utility, not artificial consumptions. Consumptions. Stacking is not just a deposit, but uh, rather our right to participate in the ecosystem as well as proof of being community members. Nadia and Dinner Chicken, welcome join my live channel. How are you, Nadia? Can we mention price stability? Well, we cannot guarantee complete stability as our design is not reliant on consumption. Sudden collapse of the supply demands equilibrium can be prevalent. Can be prevented. Long-term tokens holder as act as a consuning apparatus, minimizing the effects of speculative buying and selling. Okay, and next questions, what are the benefits for gamers? What are the benefits for gamers? The questions brings us to our most important takeaway. Gameplay itself does not require tokens. However, for players seeking as and it starter of depth, tokens are an avenue to new executing modes of play. Furthermore, those is the optional positions to benefits from the project rising value are the players themselves. Okay. Are futures change possibles? Yes, but the outmost produce in is requires only with the community blessed. Could we move forwards with each change? A period of database testing and assessment would then occurs, followed by actuals implementation spread over multiple phase. Mm, and at all times we would consider the long term impact. What make is different from other projects? Our uniqueness can be summed up in the below. Our designs which does not rely on consummations, our commitment to preserving the purity of gameplay, prioritizing the project's long-term value, community-driven decisions making, and most important, our ethos of gamers first. Okay, and conclusion. Conclusions. Well, we do not and will not have perfect answers to each and every question. We promise to offers transparent explanations for all issues at hand, mentions at any and open channels for community feedback. Continually seek out better solutions with your help. We can build a better, stronger, and more valuable eco system. Okay, next news regarding eliminate acquisitions of SGCP, Brave Record, impact suspensions of maintenance complete, and regarding SGP conversations and okay, FAQ basic functions. Basic functions, bought back, ORB, merchants ranking and review. Okay, and next, warlord card. Warlord cards, dynasty, unity type, strategy, skills, and awaken skills, awakening and updates. Okay, and number three, battle. Battle options, machining and deployment, place card and battle. Okay, and next, battle pass. Battle pass, just battle pass. Okay, and others. others options, others code and delete account. There are two options. Sport prohibited actions for inquiries about inquiries. Content skies Sangakosh Designs inquired and okay. Important important news. We are discuss important news regarding allegations, uh, acquisitions of SGP and notice regarding partials rebellions of lighter papers contents regarding measures against players repeatedly battling illegally using boats regarding our purchase reflections issue currently no issues and game guides others. So next you updates uh, news updates noticed. Update notice were one, two updates notice market futures requirements market no availables and monthly ranking commanders in the label early seasons 2 battle pass and new card pack rise of concealing no availables crypto menu guide futures update details update tokens payment no spotted future updates regarding chance to hit reductions when losing of appointments. Okay, and next comparisons events. There are some events brave requests begins monthly ranking commanders and ensables early seasons to game guides and ranking confirmed monthly ranking commanders enables early seasons tournaments to grow the first champions announced first card pack commanders ensembles no availables close to beta test ranking announcement. Thank you for participating in the closed beta task. And maintenance next maintain bravery code in inputs suspensions and maintenance completed notice maintenance completed notice and engagement, emergency maintenance completions noticed. Okay. Crypto 9x, get user, many other members. Welcome, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? क्या मसला है आपको? यानी आप कर Christopher's and Francis, Gate user, many other members. Welcome, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Okay, project informations. Project informations. Kai's Songakoshi, Dizon's battles of three kingdoms represents landmark fusions of Siga icons. Sangakoshi, Dizon's franchise with cutting edge blockchains technology developed by industry pioneers double jump Tokyo. These premium blockchains strategy game is built on a beloved IP with our province market success across Asia. The project's futures SGC uh, SGC are governments and utility tokens represented in game as SGCP points. Players earn SGCP through PvP gameplay with can then be used to purchase individual card back or be traded on the game marketplace website. This is a website is not open. Gate Lab investment and disclosures. Gate Labs did not invest in Kai battles of three Kingdom SGC. Notice Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrops platforms where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn holy airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APRs. It is the ultimate platform for opportunistically capturing market opportunities. Please complete identity verification before participating in launch pool. Enhance the security of your account and access. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. Any accurate of any dishonesty will result in the disqualifications of the rewards where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, and the English version shall prevail. Get reserved with all right to the final explanations. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participations in the event game of competition. See the user agreement for further details or restricted locations and risk warning. Risk warning: the project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its initial sales price. Please invest with the quotations and don't please invest with the acquisitions and invest by what's your financial capacity. Number two, the crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced technicals and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the enhanced risk of crypto assets in investment. The market volatility is high, and the price of token might fluctuate uh, drastically due to technicals regularly and marketing factors. Users may not be able to withdraw all the purchases tokens due to technical issues of the project gate. Gate teams 13 June 2025. Gateway to crypto trade over 3600 cryptocurrency safely, quickly and easily on gate. Take actions now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards, invite friends, and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official websites. No, download the Gate app. This tab follows us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof reserves. Okay, guys, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.